पुराय देश विकसित जावपाक फुडली 25 वर्सां वतली, पूण गोय सरकार गोवा विजन 2047 प्लॅन तयार करपाक लागला. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीच्या फुडारपणा खाला पुराय देश विकसित जावपाक लागला. गोय 10 वर्सां आदी विकसित करपाची मोख आमी दवरल्या. तातूंत गोयच्या इंडस्ट्रियलिस्टांची मजत जाय पडटली. मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंतान सांगले. गोवा 2047 हो इव्हेंट गोवा चेंबर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स अँड इंडस्ट्रीन लिडिंग इंडियाज इन्क्लुझिव्ह अँड सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ अंतर्गत घडोवन हाडला. त्या वेळार मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत उलयतालो. माचये GCCIचो अध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास देंपो, मुखेल सोयरो ह्या नात्यान इंडिया G20 शेर्पा अमिताभ कांत आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आसले.
तुमचो सगळ्यांचो सपोर्ट, तुमचो सगळ्यांचो आधार जर आसत जाल्यारूच आमी खऱ्या अर्थात विकसित भारत 2047 ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीजी हांचे स्वप्न विकसित गोय 2047 न्ही हांवें मुद्दामून सांगता, कारण पुराय देश विकसित जावपाक फुडली 25 वर्सां लागतली माननीय मोदीजीच्या लिडरशिपच्या सकयल. पण ताज्याय पेक्षा 10 वर्सां पयलीं आमी विकसित जावपाक जाय. म्हणून इट शूड बी मॅक्झिमम टू मॅक्झिमम विकसित गोवा 2037 बिकॉज वी आर एडवान्स स्टेट. इतलेशेच म्हणजे आमी बाकीचे जर पॅरामिटर्स पळयत, इफ यू कंपेर द पॅरामिटर्स जाल्यार त्या सगळ्या पॅरामिटर्सांनी आमी खूब फुडें आसा. हांव म्हणत जाल्यार इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फॉर ऑल, वॉटर फॉर ऑल, सॅनिटेशन फॉर ऑल, GSDP, रेस्ट ऑल रेशियोज वी आर मच अहेड ऑफ अदर स्टेट्स. आणि त्याच खातीर हांवें म्हटलां इट इज नॉट 47 बट इट शूड बी इट इज अ 37. ह्या 10 वर्सां पयलीं आमी पूर्ण विकसीत गोंय हाच्या खातीर फुडें वचपाक जाय.
If you look at India's story in the last few years, India has overtaken UK to become the 5th largest economy in the world. It is the largest growing, fastest growing large economy in the world. And last year we grew at about 8.2%. And by 27 end, most analysts say that India will overtake Japan and Germany to become the 3rd largest economy in the world. Many of you would recall that just a decade back, India was in the fragile 5. And from the fragile 5, we've moved to the top 5. Fragile 5 because we were suffering from a twin balance sheet problem. The bank balance sheets were in huge non-performing assets, and the banks had massive debts which were not being paid. And within a decade, we've brought stability in our economy. And how did we do this? First and foremost, India has carried out vast structural reforms. We've replaced 28 taxes and 18 cesses to introduce the goods and services tax, which is one tax across the country. We've brought in the insolvency and bankruptcy code to bring in credit discipline and ensure that companies which are not able to survive in the marketplace can actually die out through a process of insolvency by going to NCLT. We've brought in the Real Estate Regulation Act, which has brought in discipline amongst builders. The regulators, such as Mr. Dharmen Sharma, do huge amount of due diligence before a builder can sell his flats. We have brought our corporate tax on par with the best tax regimes in the world, and the government actually gave away 1,45,000 crores so that we could have amongst the best tax regimes in the world. And we've scrapped a lot of rules, regulation, procedures, paperwork in the ease of doing business.
इको फ्रेंडली व्यवसायांक गोंयांत प्राधान्य दिवपाची गरज आसा. बिझनसांत राज्य पावण्यार लीड करपाची ताक गोंयांत आशिल्ल्याचे GCCIचो अध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास देंपोन सांगले. आयकात.
Goa must lead in creating green infrastructure and industries that thrive alongside environment. Goa can attract private investment into waste to energy projects, recycling hubs, and composting facilities. These ventures address waste management challenges and create profitable and sustainable business models. Any system is good as its users. This has to be accompanied by investment of resources to bring about a shift in the mindsets of people, where sometimes we face challenges in Goa. Businesses must lead the way by adopting eco-friendly practices. We have the opportunity to position Goa, our state, as a leader in sustainable business. What we could do is partner with private enterprise to set up solar farms and hydel and wind energy projects that can power industrial parks and residential areas. Would it be too optimistic to aim to generate 50% of its energy from renewables by the year 2035? Efficient public transport is essential for thriving economy. It not only connects people to jobs, but also creates investment opportunities in mobility and infrastructure. Goa must establish multimodal mobility hubs where electric buses, I think some initiative has been taken by the government of Goa, shared EVs and a water taxi seamlessly connect our cities, educational hubs, industrial zones, services and transport hubs with all-weather interchange stations.
गोवा 365 खातीर जवाहर बर्वे आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.